Today, we're diving into a 5-minute gold scalping strategy using 2 free TradingView indicators. While it works on 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute timeframes, the 5-minute delivers the best results. This strategy isn't just for gold, it can be used for Forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Stick around for the whole video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. But before we get started, let's talk about today's video sponsor, FinPros. FinPros is a trading platform designed for traders who value speed, simplicity, and control. With FinPros, you can upload and approve documents in seconds, choose from various account types tailored to your strategy, and experience super fast trades execution. Plus, you have full control of your funds. No restrictions on deposits or withdrawals, and everything is processed securely and automatically. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Check out FinPros in the description and start trading in under a minute. Now let's get back to the video. First, head over to TradingView. We'll demonstrate this scalping strategy using the gold pair, xauusd. Set your chart to xauusd and the time frame to 5 minutes. Next, let's add the indicators. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Parabolic SAR Mari Adaptive MACD. Select the one by locks. This unique indicator combines RSI, Parabolic SAR, and MACD. Leave the settings at their default. This indicator provides buy and sell signals when the histogram bars and dot are green. That's a buy signal. When they are red, that's a sell signal. However, we won't rely solely on this indicator, so let's add a second one to act as our trend guide. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type Best Cloud All MA. Select the indicator by default. Now let's make a few adjustments. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for trend state bar coloring and shapes to clean up the chart. Adjust the line thickness for MA1 and MA2 to your preference. Then click OK to confirm. This indicator will act as a trend guide. When it's green, we're in a bullish trend. And when it's red, we're in a bearish trend. To place a buy order, ensure the Best Cloud All MA indicator is green. This confirms a bullish trend. Next, check that the Mari Adaptive MACD histogram bars and dots are green. This is your buy signal. For confirmation, make sure the candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are met, place your buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the last swing low and target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your take profit. For a sell order, ensure the Best Cloud All MA indicator is red. This confirms a bearish trend. Then, check that the Mari Adaptive MACD histogram bars and dots are red. This is your sell signal. For confirmation, make sure the candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, place your sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the last swing high and target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your take profit. Remember, no strategy is 100% foolproof, so always practice proper money management and trading psychology. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more strategies. And a big thanks to our sponsor, FinPros. Be sure to check them out in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.